warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before this program will be closed by Mr. Hassan, I would like to say thanks for your coming. Thank you very much for your nice attention, especially Mr. Hassan, Mr. Kuseri, and then Khalid. Yeah, because Mr. Khalid and Mr. Harry is foreigner here because they come here in the first time. And about Mr. Harry questions, normally we have English course in the afternoon and also in the night, but especially in Sunday afternoon we have also program, special program, the program we call with Jepara English Community. And Jepara English Community not only for student here but also another. We can study English together because we have opinion that every teacher and every student is a couple. We study together and we care each other. And although we know that education is a long time process, we make tests like this, like free speaking test, because in the school examination, for example, the student only writing test, and after that they get a certificate. But like this time, in this agenda, every student have to responsible themselves without the teacher or without the mentor. They must speak, and then they must responsible and give a good English skill. Although better you know that part of them not 3 months but only 20 meeting, only 18 meeting, or maybe 24 meeting, not 3 months, because we have program 3 months or 24 meeting. Yeah, it is short time, but we must check after and then before I take English course. My English course will our English will be better or just stagnant, same than before. It will be checked. So that is their performance. If they do the mistake, it is normally because they are beginner. And then maybe after that, they will study more or study harder to get the better English. I just want to say like this, thank you very much for your coming, and this agenda will be closed by Mr. Nur Hassan. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Before close of this meeting, I hope Mr. Abbas, as a master of ceremony, divide time to your friend, just like number 1, number 2, and number 8 right now. The presenter 1, please before finishing about you say anything, because they're not in here, give question to participants here. Okay, the first presenter I think finish, and then the others participants make question to the presenter. You give time, 1 minute maybe, 2 minutes maybe, and then the answer might be number 1 up to number 8 now. Yeah, so not very fast of you divide one by one either. Okay, only one question. Never mind.
I forget to say.
You never mind. Next time maybe presentation again. Yeah, next time. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. I can come here, Mr. Ali House, because the first time of meeting here. But the first time I meet someone here, just like of this year, Miss blah 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 blah. Maybe I don't know. Yeah, forget. Yeah. Please, the meeting now open with the Fatihah together. So this meeting here. Very nice, very happy, and don't forget this house here, place of Mr. Ali, and then Mr. Ali give me healthy from God, and then continue about of this meeting like this. Just the member got the healthy of like this, just like of the participant here, Okay, thank you very much from Mayong ya. And then please, Robayan, sorry, please closing together by Fatihah. So Allah give anything to us about what do you want about all you study English here, and then the others can speak English and English speak English well, and then the others your friend and others can follow in this course here. Let close by Fatihah together. Al-Fatihah. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin hamdan syakirin hamdan naimin hamdan yuafi ni'ama wa yukafi majidi rabbana lakal hamdu kama yanbaghi li wajhika wa 'ala bismillahika Allahumma shalli ala sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma sallim tinana wa sallim aflana wa sallim qulubana wa sallim lana namar rahmin. Allahumma arinal haqqa haqqa wa arinal batila batila Rabbana la tuzigh qulubana ba'da idh hadaytana wa hab lana min ladunka Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzabannar Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Al-Fatihah. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin amin. Thank you very much. You give me time of you to say anything to you all. Yeah, because I the man of this world had mistake of this year. Thank forgive me. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for Mr. Hassan. Finally, from my deepest heart, I'm Abbas as master ceremony. I do apologize. I'm sorry if I do mistakes, because maybe this is the first time I'm to be an MC or MC. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.